And at Atlanta's airport, nearly 1,000 workers are at work scrubbing surfaces and sanitizing the facility to protect travelers amid the coronavirus outbreak. Now, as we've told you, the virus can remain active on some surfaces for several hours. Fox 5's Morse Diggs is live at Hartsfield-Jackson tonight with that part of the story. Morse.
Well, at the nation's airport, traveling these days is mostly a self-service proposition. You're encouraged to check yourself in at one of those kiosk screens. You're riding up and down the escalator or sitting at one of those snack bar tables, potentially places where the virus can live. Safety at the nation's airports has taken on a whole new meaning. Maintaining a germ-free facility is the battle right now due to the expanding cases of the coronavirus. You're touching these screens. Yeah. You may be touching the escalator, yes, rail. Are you thinking about the stuff you're touching?
Yeah, I am definitely thinking about it. I actually brought a ton of hand sanitizer, so I have been using that. Right. And I am like 20 weeks pregnant, so I am actually more susceptible to all of, like coronavirus and all the germs and stuff. So I just like to try to not touch my face.
There are nearly 1,000 employees who scrub Hartsfield-Jackson Airport. Some you see, some you won't see. They work in the evening and do a deep clean.
But the products that we use out here are CDC approved to make sure that they fight not only the coronavirus, but other viruses or other situations such as the flu. And so we're using the right products, we're using them the right way to ensure that we are, again, looking at and taking care of, especially those touch points.
And there is a method, like if you see a maintenance worker wipe a surface down with the same cloth, it is effective, the supervisor says, if that worker frequently keeps applying the appropriate cleaner. And there is another issue out here that you won't see in corporate buildings around the metro. That's the large population of homeless who try to make Hartsfield-Jackson their temporary home. Some of them, unfortunately, go to the bathroom in their pants. The supervisor told me they keep a special bio kit for that, a bio kit kept in a secured location. Reporting live from Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5.
Morse, you're at